Good day to all employers and employees there in Hong Kong. I am Marsa Joseph Inso, 43 years old. I live in Simbonan, Pito, Bukod Benguet, Philippines. I am married but separated. I have 5 children, 2 boys and 3 girls. I am high school graduate. My mother is a housewife. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters, and I am the youngest in the family. Ma'am and sir, this is my first time to apply in work there in Hong Kong, but I have long time experience working in Malaysia for 5 years. I stay in one employer only. I serve 9 members of the family, 6 adults and 3 kids. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, washing cars, watering plants, and caring kids. I do also sometimes cooking. I play with the children, feeding them and showering them. Ma'am and sir, please hire me because I am kind, loyal, faithful, and caring. I promise to do all my responsibilities and duties as your maid, and I am willing to work with you as soon as possible. That's all, and thank you.